So dear friends, if you want to recover your permanently deleted photos, then you are in the right video. Because I also lost some of my photos. By following a simple process, I could recover all of them. And that's the same process I'm gonna share in this video. Okay? So to know the step-by-step process, just keep watching the video till the end. First thing first, you gotta download a very small application from Play Store or App Store. I'm using Android, so I'm gonna open Play Store. And now after opening Play Store, just search here, Disk Digger. This is the application, just click here. So you first install this application. Now I'm installing this. Now the app has been installed on my phone. Now I'm gonna open it. After opening the app, first thing first, you will get this interface. The first one is search for lost photos. The second one is search for lost videos. And number third is search for other files. But we need photos. So select the first option. Search for lost photos. First thing first, you gotta give access to your files. So click on allow access. Now turn on this option, allow permission. Now go back. Again click on allow. Now look at the bottom. The application is started to find your deleted photos. And now look at this notification. Scan completed. This digger has found 1232 recoverable files. Just click on OK. Sometimes you may not find all the deleted photos in a single attempt. So if you aren't getting all the deleted photos in the first attempt, close the app and then again try this. Once you see your deleted photos, there are basically two ways to recover them. First thing first, you can recover the photos one by one, or if you want to recover all the photos at a single time, you can do that too. Okay? If you want to recover a single photo, you see that icon here at the top right corner of the photo. Just click here. Just click on recover this file to recover that photo. Okay? Or just before recovering the photo, if you want to see it in full size, you can do that too. Just click on file details, and then you will see the photo in full size. Okay? And if you want to recover more than one photo at a single time, look at the left side of the photo. You'll see a square box here. Just click here. This photo is selected. And then select other photos. And now look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a recover option. Just click here. And out of these three options, select the middle option. Save the files to a custom location on your device. Okay? Just click here. And now you can select any of the files from here. Or if you want, you can create a brand new folder. For example, I'm creating a new folder. Create a new folder. Now I'm giving a name to the folder. Recovered photos. Okay. The folder is automatically open. And now at the bottom of the page, just click on use this folder. Now click on allow. Now go back. And now go to your phone gallery. So these were the 4 photos that I've already recovered. Okay. So this is how you can recover your permanently deleted photos. Hope the video will help you to recover your deleted photos. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.